Firstly, create a new colour swatch. To do this, bring up the Colour Management panel and click on the List function in the top right corner. Select Create New Swatch. Rename the swatch Die Cut. Please be aware that this is case sensitive, and change the colour type to Spot Colour. The newly created swatch Die Cutter will now be listed in the Swatches panel. The Swatches panel is accessed by the main navigation menu. Select the rectangle tool, then make a double click in the document. In a window, enter your desired final label format and confirm with OK. The colour of the area of the rectangle should not be filled in. To do this, set the surface colour to None as indicated. Align the contour with the help of the Align panel to the centre of the document. Select the die cutting line using the Selection tool and bring up the Attributes panel. Here you need to click on the option Overprint Contour. The option Overprint ensures that the areas underneath the die cutter are printed. Where you require a custom die cutter, please create the vector-based contour using the Pen tool. In terms of the production of your labels, it is important that the die cutter is created as a contour and not as a surface.